Good morning, West Creek.
Welcome to the first CET of the second semester.
And to kick that off, let's not waste any time.
It's time for a mid-season update on the basketball team.
It's basketball season here at West Creek, and our team has worked very hard. So we thought we'd ask Coach Hardaway some questions about the game and what we have seen and what is to come. All right, Coach. I got you here on the radio. Please tell me a little bit about how the season's going. All right, good deal. Guys, Coach Hardaway says we are getting back on track and ready to go for this upcoming, or for the rest of the season. I got you, Coach. Yep. All right, good deal. All right, guys, Coach Hardaway said, I think right now what we are depending on is each other, and the team has everything we need. They study their opponents and are very locked in and ready to perform the rest of the season. All right, Coach, how do you feel about dedication? Gotcha. Camden Murray and Cameron Barrows? All right, I'll let them know. All right, Coach Hardaway said, Camden Murray has stepped up and taken on a big role in the team. He's proving himself out there on the court every time. Also, Cam Bowers has averaged 20 points or more and has had this team around him supporting him ever since. All right, Coach, how do you feel about the season progression? Oh, yeah, that's true. All right, Coach Hardaway has said it's all about trusting the guys and knowing that they're dedicated and doing the little things to sacrifice for their team, like watching film or just going the extra mile out there. All right, final question for you, Coach. A message for anybody out there at West Creek. All right, good deal. He says, come out and support every home game. We need a big home presence to stand our ground and succeed this year. We appreciate your time, Coach Hardaway. We appreciate you for these answers. Thank you, everybody. I'm Braeden Frost.
That was your West Creek basketball team.
Hey, Christian, you ever thought about joining the basketball team in high school?
No, I suck at basketball.
That's fair. Now it's time for your weekly report. Take it away, Joe.
Thanks, guys. What's up, Creek? Joe here with your weekly report. First up, boys basketball played a game against Kenwood on Tuesday and won with a score of 40-29. The girls basketball team also played. They put a good game, but they didn't quite pull off the win with a score of 39-47. Next up, there's a basketball game tonight against Henry County, so come and support the team. Finally, there's no school next week on Monday due to it being MLK Day, so don't come in. Now, back to you guys.
Appreciate it, Joe.
And finally, our social experiment.
What social experiment?
Do you think you're the best student in the school?
I mean, I think I'm a pretty good student. Not to say that I'm the best, but I try real hard. And really, there's no issue with that.
Am I on camera?
What makes you the best student? What makes me the best student? What makes me the best student is because I'm Chaize. Can't nobody be Chaize, man. It's simple as that, boy. Straight like that.
What makes me the best student? I got a 4.0.
Hey, bring it a little closer to the camera.
Does this, what makes you the student best or the best student?
Best student. Look at the camera.
I do my work.
In the camera.
What made you the best student? Because I'm a funny guy.
He's a funny guy.
He's a funny guy. All right. Answer this question for me.
You said what made me the best student?
Why are you the best student?
All the teachers love me, and I'm very energetic. That's why.
Oh, yeah.
That's it. That's what I'm talking about.
Appreciate it, Marty.
What makes me the best student? I'm real smart. I'm probably valedictorian this year. And yeah, I'm like the best at school. So that's what makes me the best student.
It's not working. Half of your head was cut off.
What makes me the best student? My mom's the assistant principal.
Hold on a second.
Aim it up for him. Make sure it's on the screen.
Hold on, back up. Oh yeah, you're good.
I'm on the grind 24/7, bro. 365. That's what makes me the best student.
Okay.
Hell yeah.
He can't read. Come on,
Answer that real quick. Hey, it's recording? Yep. Me, I make the best student.
What makes you the best student?
Hold on, let me hop in here real quick. He's the opposite of the best student.
I feel like my work ethic make me the best student. I mean,
He's also the opposite of the best student.
He is lying.
I feel like my work.
Mito, like I'm telling you, honor roll student, get my work done.
I did my homework. It was due on Wednesday. Got it done on Monday, bro. I feel like best.
God, I'm smarter than you.
Soon to be AV honor roll. Don't quote me though.
Yo, Frost.
You're standing over here, Mom.
What up?
Back up a little bit. Perfect. Go ahead. Speak loud.
What makes me the best student is that I come to school every day ready to learn, with a positive attitude, ready to level up my teammates.
What's the question? What makes you the best student? You gotta let me know when it's recording. Like right now. Oh, okay. What makes you the best student? Talk loud. What makes me the best student is I don't do too much. You know, I just do too much. Just kind of chill.
If you had to pick, which one of them would be the best student in the school? Tawan! And that's everything for this week. Tune in Friday for more CET. We are West Creek.